Hey guys, so I am at another Armstrong garden center, but this is a different one than I went to before. I will put the location because I don't remember right now, but we're gonna check out the indoor plants, see what they got over here. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're not quite at the indoor plants yet, but there are just some cute little succulents here going on. String of hearts. These are $19.99. Oh, a string of dolphins here. This one is $19.99 also. Some desert roses, I think. The fish hooks. There's some fizzle sizzles. Aloes, little cacti. Usually if you see these at like Home Depot or something, they have the glued down rocks, which is really sad. So here's some free ones. This is really cute. A ripsalis. Just some more little succulents. And this cactus here is $27.99. It says it's a sunrise cactus. It's so pretty. I want one of those. That's so pretty. Just some more succulents and stuff. A lot of cacti. We love cacti. We're gonna head inside now. There's so many spider plants here. The little curly ones. So cute. Begonias. Okay, now we're heading inside. Here are the indoor plants. They're everywhere. Okay. I'm seeing goldfish plants, fiddly figs, money tree. No, that's not a money tree. Cast iron plants. Oh, this is the snake plant section. Chinese evergreens. Look how beautiful these Brazils are. They're almost completely lime green. This is $32.99. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. Some giant pothos up there. It's my favorite kind of Dieffenbachia right there. Look at the leaves. They're not as big as I've seen them get, but they're so pretty. How much is this? This one is $29.99. It's like an average price for one of those. Alocasias. Oh, look at this monstera. Look at these pretty fenestrations. Oh, it's so beautiful. How much is it? Oh wow, look at that root. It's grown. It's finding its way out of the pot. This one is $32.99. Wow, this is the biggest one I've seen. This is $32.99. It's very big. Some more Brazils. Tradescantias. That's how you say it. Xanadu. I kind of want a xanadu philodendron. This one's $14.99. It's a little bit sparse, so could finally find it. Probably find a different one. There's a Maranta here. Oh, a really pretty pink rubber tree. Oh, this one is $14.99. So pretty. And then a really pretty exotica here. This one is $14.99. Look at that leaf. It's completely silver almost. Let's move on over here. The little carnivorous plants. We love monkey cups. These are $20.99. Showmanthes. They're just a baby version of plants, pretty much. Jade pothos. That's pretty much all they got. Oh, look at this pretty tree. It's so pink. This one is $129.99. All right, that's pretty much it for here. Okay guys, so I didn't get anything. They didn't really have as big of a selection as the other one that I go to, so I'm gonna say that the other one is my fave. But yeah, it's just a short little video. Alright, the other one wasn't so good, so I'm at the Sherman Oaks Armstrong Garden Center now. That's what it's come to. Okay, so pretty much here, I just came to see if they had any different plants. So far, they're all the same, but I found this philodendron. It says it's a green emerald. It looks like a horsehead philodendron to me. So this is $34.99. I'm probably gonna get this because this is not something that you see. Well, not something that I see all the time, so it's pretty cool. Oh, they also have some Peperomia Pope. These are $14.99. They're pretty big. I'm so bad at taking care of Peperomia. But these are so pretty. Oh, I kind of want one of these too, but I can't. Peperomia are my weakness. Okay, I also see this. It says it's a Philodendron xanadu. It looks like a xanadu. So this one is $14.99. I kind of want one of these too. I'm about to go crazy. Oh my gosh. There's also a begonia over there that I want. Right here. Look at these leaves. Is that not so pretty? They're like raised bumps. So pretty. This one is $10.99. It's pretty big. It has these cute pink leaves. I mean, flowers. Oh, I'm getting this. Everything else is like the same as the other place. But they have a baby lime Maranta. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna get this one too. I wonder how much it is. Don't see any prices around here. but I'm gonna get a baby one. I've been waiting for a baby one to come along for me to pick up. Oh, yes. Okay. There's also some variegated marantas here. $16.99. Oh, okay. Well, only these two up here are variegated. But they're so pretty. Alright. So that is it. Oh my gosh, you know the meme of this plant where it's like, felt cute, might die for no reason later. Oh, it gets me every time. Okay, also, says it's a xanadu. And this one says it's a xanadu, but I think they're the same plant. So, there's that. Okay guys, this is my haul. So I actually am getting both of these. I think it's a bipennifolium, but I'm not sure. So if you know, let me know, because I have one that looks exactly like this and I think it's a bipennifolium. I'm pretty sure it's a bipennifolium. And then I'm also getting this beautiful begonia, and if you know what this one is called, also let me know, because I don't know. And here's something I do know. I'm getting this lemon lime maranta. It's a perfect little 4-incher, so that's what I'm happy with. And I love all these beautiful plants. So that's my haul for today. That's why I love this Armstrong center. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh, actually, hold on. Also, if you know what this is, I'm pretty sure it's some kind of philodendron, but I don't know which one, so if you know what that is, let me know too. Okay, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!